What's up, guys? Okay. Thanks for checking out the presentation. You know what I'm saying? Thanks for going over the website. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to get started. The get started process is not hard. It's step by step, and it will tell you what to do. Step by step. So, get you started. Okay, to get started, you want to click Get Started. Okay, make sure you read what's red right here. Make sure you read that very clear. It's very important. That's why I highlighted red. Have you read that? Like understanding of it. Just click Get Started. Right. So it's gonna take you to this screen right here. Let it load. Okay. Right here, it's gonna say sponsor. If it don't say my name, just get back to me and let me know so I can get that fixed. But 9 times out of 10, it will say my name. Okay. So just continue. If you want, just read all this information. It's up to you. Totally up to you. Okay, just go to continue. Right. Let's load. Okay, cool. So here's you gonna put your name. You can put your middle initial, your last name, and this is optional. So if you were junior, senior, or whatnot, and you want to put your social security number here. Okay, the reason you put your social security number here because we file taxes just like any other business opportunity, right? Okay, guys, I went through the same process with the social security number, name, and all that information. I went through the same process. Okay, you want to scroll down. This is totally optional. You have a spouse, and you put your business, partner name, or whatever the case may be. But this is totally optional. Okay, you want to scroll down. Make sure you put your mailing address, city, state, the zip code, the county. It's very important, guys. It's very important. If you buy any shirts or anything, souvenirs, they can send your items to the right address, right? Same thing, you just fill it out, the same way. Okay, address, city, the state, the zip code, and your county. Going down, you're gonna put your phone number. This is very important as well, right? Okay, anything happen, they can give you a call. They have to send you a follow up on what's going on. You know what I'm saying? Just phone number, put a valid email. Put in again. Okay. Sign up process. Okay. If you want to, you can get this plan right here. But I'm not saying come get this plan, but this if you want the cashback mall. Cashback mall is when you can go shop in stores. And you get a certain percentage back on what you pay for. Like at Walmart, Macy's, Sears, JCPenney, etc., etc. Okay, so this is optional. Okay, you don't have to pay for this plan. Now you can read the rest of this. You know what I'm saying? Just see what's going on, right? But this is the plan that you should choose. Like I said, this is optional, right? Come mark directly, get your income, ship, and membership. You want to put your initial by, for example, I'm going to put my initial, and you just go on by your business, scroll down. Okay, you don't have to put a coupon code, it's optional, right? And for right here, this is for the training. We have step-by-step free training, so you don't have to put your initial by the only $24.95. This is just training, right? So when you come out here, you want to put a nice username, right? So for example, I'm gonna say John Smith, right? Just simple. You know what I'm saying? It's right here. It's gonna be on your website, www.johnsmith.myecon.net. And this is very important. You don't want to put nothing long, nothing like that. Just make it short, simple, and sweet. The 3 S's. Short, simple, and sweet. You can put partner with Joe, something like that. Bam, partner with Joe. Okay. So when you click continue, you should get a welcome email, right? And your welcome email is gonna have your password where you can go in and change your password. It's gonna have your also the website that you created right here. Right? Just copy paste this somewhere on your phone so you can have easy access to it. So when you get started, let's dive deep in it real quick. So when you get started and log in real quick, like I said, $34.95. Hopefully it won't hurt your pocket. I paid $34.95. Thousands of others paid $34.95. Got a return on investment. Okay, when you get started, you're not just paying for nothing, right? Let me show you guys what you get when you pay the $34.95. Okay, first up, you get the business opportunity. You become a business owner, MyEcon, right? So when you become a business owner in MyEcon, you also qualify to get income shipping membership. They show you what's in the income shipping membership, right? Okay, look what you get in income shipping. The income shipping membership. You get your smart credit repair kit, right? You get your ID Defender, you get your legal club, you get your cash flow manager, key logic defensive system, you get your discounts on travel, right? So the $34.95 that you're paying for, you become a business owner to make income, and you also get all these perks and benefits, right? And the one that we focus on the most, right, is smart credit repair kit. Very powerful perk that a lot of people is getting it, right? So, and also cash flow manager, we show you how to minimize your taxes, eliminate debt, and so on and so on. You also got ID Defender. Criminals do not want your money, they want your identity, right? So we got key logic defense system, right? We got legal club and also discounts on travel. Okay, so this is what you get when you join MyEcon. But all said and done, this it. You pay your $34.95. You get all your benefits and perks, and you become a business owner. See you on the next video. See you guys inside.